Yeah.
Okay, fine. So from this we converge, we'll be having tally. Okay. So tally. According to you all, what do you mean by tally and why do you want tally as a commerce students? Tally means generally what you mean that.
Tally, it's a software for account. It's a accounting software.
Okay.
Uh, it simplifies the accounting work.
Okay.
It will record itself. If we post the journal entry, it will give the ledger and other things. I
Okay.
don't have experience in working with Tally, but this is what
Okay.
my knowledge.
Okay. Very good. And others, what do you mean by tally?
And Tally is the software where we use for the in business purpose.
Okay. What is the benefit from that?
To know the profit where we get in the business.
What do you mean by software? Hmm? What do you mean by desktop software? Hello. Hello, guys. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then you can answer, right? Okay, fine. So don't worry. So these are the stuffings we are going to learn in the tally. So I'll be giving an introduction regarding the tally and I'll be going ahead with the practically. Okay. Is that okay?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let me share my screen. Somebody has joined without putting a name. You can exit from the group and you can put your name and you can enter.
Ma'am, I'm not able to add my name at all. This has been the problem with every class.
Why?
I'm not sure. I checked with the admin. I mean, a couple of others also. I think one or two people tried to help me, but they said it's not possible.
Okay, then fine. Okay, so let me share my screen. You guys can unmute yourself. Okay, fine. Let me tell you the basic things of Tally. So Tally was basically it was for the particularly for the medium and lower level sector. Okay, so it will be for the lower as well as medium level sectors. So it won't be we won't be filing or we won't be concentrating on the large scale of sectors like it can be a Infosys or any other companies, IT or a multinational companies means they won't be preferring for this software. But if you're handling with the medium as well as lower level sector, it can be a education sector or any organization, small organization. If they are dealing with the one two branches, means they can go ahead with this. And also, if it is come for the when it come for Infosys also, they will be using the software because some of the criteria is based on the like creating a payroll or creating a purchase invoice. So these are stuffings they'll specifically go with this, or else they'll we have a varieties of softwares. You already be knowing that Zoho books we have, Oracle we have, as well as we have SAP is for HANA. So these are the software which is already we have. Some of them are cloud software and some most of them are desktop software. Okay, so today we are going to learn about the desktop software. Desktop software is nothing that. So you can see in your screen in your laptop, you'll be observing that Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and other stuffings. Are you all aware of that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, so those softwares or those apps will be considered as a desktop software, because so if you the same thing Tally, if you download in a tablet, any tablet, or if you're using any phone, means can you able to download that?
No,
And yes, because Tally is completely a desktop software. So there where it's need a particular MB, as well as it has to be only for particularly for sake of desktop. So when you go for the Zoho books and all, it will be like a cloud software where you can install like in your mobile and all. You'll be seeing that we have a varieties of Instagrams, WhatsApp, and all other apps. So same like that, there is a difference between a cloud software as well as a desktop software. Okay, so cloud software means it will be a completely for online. It will be completely online. So desktop software means if you prefer for if you want, means you can go ahead with the internet, or else you can just leave that. So that is what a desktop software. But Tally particularly, it will support in the desktop, not anything else, not anywhere else. Okay, it can be like a tablet or a phones or whatever it may be, it won't support. Only the desktop it will be the support, it will be going to support. Okay, that is the one major thing. And we have a two modes. Please, if you have a notes, means please make a note of each and every points whatever I'll be telling. Okay, is that okay for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, and also sometimes I'll be going like Tipu Express, so you guys can stop me immediately. Is that okay? Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Okay, fine, guys. Uh, Fine. So we have a two modes. One is the professional mode, and another one is the education mode. One is a professional mode, and another one is the educational mode. You can ask me that, ma'am, why we want professional mode as well as the education mode? Why they have given like that? Yes, so because so professional mode means we have to pay we have to purchase a license. So and we can like as usual you'll be knowing Amazon and Netflix and all will be purchasing, and we can connect what is that? Mm, like with the by using a credentials we can log in and we can connect with the peoples. So that is how it will be. So and professional mode, if you are using means it will be for the professional purpose. So if you are dealing with the real time data, if you are dealing with any companies or anything, means you can go ahead with that. So and also you can connect the networks from the one person to one person, you can connect. And not only that thing, you can able to what you can put a security data, as well as we have a tally vault where you can individually you can change the users, as well as you can assign the work for each and every employees, and based on your category that you're going to learn in the future days. As well as when it comes to education board, it's specifically for the student purpose, learning purpose. So where you can see it will allows. So you can ask me that, ma'am, what is the difference between professional mode as well as the education mode? In the education mode, we have it won't be supporting it will allow only first, second, and 31st date. Only these three dates it will be going to it will allows. And apart from that, if you put third or fourth, fifth, sixth, or a 30th, it won't be considering. Okay, whatever the data, whatever the transaction you have to deal with the same dates, not any other dates. Understood? So it allows only 3 days. So that is first, second, and 31st, not the other dates. Okay. When it comes to professional mode, you can record your day-to-day transactions. If it is a fifth, sixth, doesn't matter. You can record with each and everything. So, and also in the education mode, some of the icons it won't be supported. So I'll be telling in the future days what and all the icons won't be supported, and what and all we can't able to do that and all I'll be teaching you. So in the future time, that is what the difference between the professional mode as well as the education mode. And most of the things what and all you'll be learning in the education mode will appear in the same thing. Since in the Field Pro we will be providing the real-time case study. So already I have sent the case study for you. The first thing, company creation and other stuff things, you guys can download that. Okay. Later you can do that. First you can listen the theory class. Later let us go with the practical. Okay. So because some people, since you guys are already a fresher one for the tally, so you won't be knowing the basic idea about the tally. So that's why. So I'll be explaining the basic stuffings as well as the importance of tally and everything. And later you guys can work on that. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, fine. So that is one thing. And we have to purchase a license, guys. We have a gold edition as well as a silver edition. So here, if you're going, if you want to purchase a professional mode, means you will be having a two editions. One is a gold edition and another one is a silver edition. In the silver editions you can use, only single person can use that. So nobody can, we can't able to connect the networks and all, we can't do anything. So single, in one company, if you have a delay with only one branch, means obviously you can go ahead with the single connection, single edition, I mean silver edition. So gold edition means it will be like a Netflix. If you purchase for a just take it as an example, if you're uh, just take it as an example, if you're purchased any license for the Netflix, means we can able to connect the networks 2 to 3 peoples. Am I right? Hello, you can share your password ID and they can log in and they can also watch. Am I right?
Yes,
Other
ma'am.
people's. So here also same thing will be appeared. So in the gold editions, we can connect the networks, and so there will be a limit. Okay, so not more than 3 members we can't able to connect. 3 to 4 like that. There will be a based on your package what you're going to take, based on that, or based on the license what you're going to purchase. So based on that, they'll be providing how many people can connect and network will be connected. Everything will be shown. So this is what a basic stuffings of the tally, and it is very much important, guys. As well as nowadays they will be more concentrating on the tally, because so if you go ahead with the small shops also, you can see that. So they will be using a tally. So if you want to maintain any kind of day-to-day transaction accounts in a simple manner, by using a simple transactions, by using the simple templates, so it is very easy, and the navigation path also very easy. So if you just put the basic information for the tally, means by default it will create its own profit and loss account based on your data which you given, as well as it will create by default each and every reports, trading reports, balance sheets, as well as stock summary, or any other reports. So I'll be showing later the what all the reports will be available. Each and every reports will be generated by itself. Okay, so the thing is you have to pass the entries, and before that you should know the journal entry. So I think since you guys are already, you have worked on practical of accounting, you'll be knowing what you mean by journal entry and what is the importance of journal entries, everything. But here at the same time, so we will be going, if you are dealing with the accounts, means we have to more concentrate on the journal entry. That is what important. And so any doubts with the introduction? Any doubts for anyone with the introduction? And Tally is a accounting software, guys. You can record your day-to-day transaction. Understood? Guys, please do response.
Yes, ma'am, understood. But I have a clarification in that professional and educational software. That educational thing you said, like it will be used only for 3 days, right? Then what is the?
No, 3 days. Only 3 days you can use. You
Yeah,
can
3 days.
we can just take it as an example. If you are purchased today, okay,
Okay.
today is 20th. You can't able to
Okay.
post the entry on 20th. It will
Oh,
allow only first, second, and 31st. You
okay.
can't pass the entries only 3 days. That is the first, second, and 31st. In the professional mode, if you purchase, means you can go ahead with the any dates.
Okay, but it is better to go to the professional mode, right, for educational institutions like schools or colleges than going with the
Yeah,
educational mode.
but everything will be same, right? So if you go ahead with that professional mode, means obviously we have to insert the data, and it is a waste of time and waste of money also. Same thing
Okay.
will be there in the education mode, but only it will allows for the learning purpose. It is better to take a education. It's a free of cost, so
Okay. Okay.
nothing should be paid off. So only the
Okay.
dates will be there, will be a difference, and other than that nothing else. So that is
Okay. Okay.
what you can go ahead with education. Anything
Yeah.
else?
Understood. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So anything else, guys? Anyone have any
Mm.
doubts with any concepts? Yes.
No, nothing.
Okay, fine. Can I continue?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let me share my screen. So this is what thing. Mm. That's it, guys. Okay. Now let me explain how to install Tally in your desktop. Okay. So in your laptop and all, how to install. I'll be sending a link in your respective groups, or else you can just go ahead straight away itself. Okay, let 1 second, guys. In the Chrome or a Google, just go ahead and type it as a Tally Prime download. Click on the download. Once again, I'll be sending the link in the chat box. If you want, you can directly you can go and you can open. Did you all receive the link? Are you all following? Guys, first I'll be explaining how to install. You guys can install at the same time. So later I will explain other stuff. It's okay. Because if I go with the PPT and I'll explain means you won't be understanding. So let me show you in a practical way. Okay, there can you see here we have two options. One is a Tally Prime Reel 7.0 and another one is a Tally Prime Edit Logo as well as Reel 7.0. Don't go ahead with the Tally Prime Edit Logo. You can just click on the download under the Tally Prime Reel 7.0. This is you're going to click on and just do the download. Are you all doing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, just click on this. You'll be getting these options, guys. You have to click on the install. Tally Prime download. Then go ahead with the 7.0. And you'll be getting this thing, setup. Did everyone receive that after downloading setup? In the top, you'll be getting that. If you click on the download, let me show you. Just click on the download. So can you see here setup in the top?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. You can just open that. So here, can you see that install new in the top? Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. I have done that. It's showing installation successful.
Yeah. Then
Start the program like that. It's showing. Whether I
okay.
need to click that?
Yes. Then you'll be receiving this icon. So you just click on the more action. If you got this one means you just click on the more option, and in the top you'll be getting installation. You can just click on that and you can install.
For me, it's showing like Tally Prime will start the following settings. Click configure to change these settings. Whether I need to configure or accept.
Accept.
Okay. It's showing like 4 icons. You try it for free, educational, use license from network, reactivate
Don't do
existing.
anything. You can
Uh,
stop there. We are done with the things. So, and what about others? Hello, guys.
I'm not getting in this laptop
Which laptop?
in classroom.
Hey, it will be there. Are you following the same step? What and all I have teaching you? I'm telling you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can do right. You can share your screen. Let me guide you. Muhammad, please share your screen. Can you hear me?
Madam, I don't know to share the how to share the screen.
Guys, in your meeting, can you see here?
Yeah, yeah.
Click on here. Present. Let me. Okay, you can click on the present. There, click on the entire screen and select your screen and click on share option. Did you got it? Mohammed, did you got it? The third option, click on this. Present.
Yeah,
Enter.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Good. Yeah. Bring the call back here. Click on that. So in your screen, in your top of screen, don't cut. No, 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 no. Come down. Bring the call back here. We have two options in the screen. There.
This ma'am.
No, no, in the top. In the screen. Not in the top. Meeting screen. Mohammed,
Yeah, here, ma'am.
down. Come down. Here. Move downward. Yes. Come to left. Top, top. Top one. So can you see that? Bring the call back here. Yes, click on that. That's it. Go to chat box. Chat box. Yes, click on that. Click on the link. Okay, download. Okay, click on that setup. Wait a second. Again, go to that download. Download option, top. Setup. Click on that.
Like this only coming.
Okay, go to file explosion. Down. File explosion. Files. Down. File. Yeah, click on that. Go to downloads. Downloads. Click on the setup. Right click. There itself, right click. In the mouse, right click. Somebody there at the center? Anybody are there in the center except Mohammed? Hello guys, I'm asking with your, yes. More actions, click on that. Install new. Install. Wait a second. Start TALLY-1. What happened? In the down, we have that icon. Click on that. Tally. PP. Just close once and open one more time. Close all the things, yes. Close it. Not that one. Go to P now. In the top, can you go and click? Move your cursor in the top. No. Don't go anywhere. Okay, it will take some time, I guess. So stop sharing. Okay, fine. So let me teach you all. So my icon will be different, guys, because I didn't update. So it will be showing like this box type, okay? And yours will be different. Fine. So yours will be P. Okay, something it's updated. So first we had this kind of app like logo. Okay, so fine. So after installing, you'll be receiving this. Am I right? Did everyone receive the same thing?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, and others, are you all downloaded or not?
Yeah, I've set it up.
Did everyone?
I've already set it up.
Okay, fine. So you'll be receiving these things. So where you can see one is continue in education mode. Since you guys are for the education mode, if you're opted with, you can just go ahead with the education mode. So as for a learning purpose and all, let us go with the education only. And next will be use license from networks. So if you have already purchased a gold editions, if you want to connect the networks, like if you want to share the networks with the other branches as well as other laptops, means you can go ahead with the use license from the network. Okay, and next will be reactivate existing license. If your pack is expired, means you can go ahead with that. You can reactivate if after paying, you can reactivate existing license and activate a new license. So if you after learning education mode, if you want to go ahead, if you want to jump for the professional mode, means you can go ahead with the activate new license and pay some of the amount which they'll be going to ask. So based on that, you'll be paying and you'll be activating your new license. So till here, everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us click on the continue in education mode. You'll be going straight away, guys. Let me put my password.
It's not opening, ma'am,
For whom?
for Mohammed.
Oh, why it's not open? Just close each and every apps and try it once, or else, or just take another laptop. Or if any trainers are there, means just call them and it just fix up. Better to change the system, laptop itself. If there is no space, means sometime it cannot able to download, guys. Okay, fine. Mohammed,
Yes, ma'am.
are you following?
Ma'am, changing the laptop.
Okay. Anyone are there at the center? Hmm?
I'm in
Mohammed.
the house, ma'am.
Okay.
The charges. Open. Three tables. Yeah.
Mohammed, are you done?
No, ma'am.
Mohammed, did you fix that?
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is installed, right? Please do answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So let us continue, guys. So you can go ahead with the, you can open the tally. So after receiving, after opening, if you click on the education mode, after selecting that, you'll be receiving this icon. Here, since I already have created so many companies, for me it's showing. For you all, it will be empty. Okay. So now we have to create a company, because if you're, why we have to create the company means, if you're dealing with any company particularly, we can't able to record with the other companies and all. So that is a sake. So we have to create one particular name of that company. Let us take it as a FinPro Limited. So we have to take it as a FinPro Limited, and we have to record a day-to-day transaction. And same like that, if you're dealing with so many companies means, you can go ahead with that. So XYZ company, Alumina PQ, or PQR. So whichever the company you are doing, you can just create company with the names and the details of that particular company. How you guys going to create a Instagram profile and all, right? So same thing here also, you'll be going to insert the data about the things about related to your company, as well about the stuffings, what at all is needed. So then automatically it will be going to create. And if you are recording your day-to-day transaction means, you can just select that particular company, and you can go ahead with the recording a day-to-day accounts transaction. Is that okay? Did you all understood? Anyone have any doubts? Guys, please do
Yeah, ma'am.
and response. Okay. Fine. So let me tell you how to create a company. Click on the create company. Click on the create company. I already have sent the case study in your respective groups. You can just open that. So this will be a folder I already have sent. Okay, here you can see that create a company in Tally-1 by using the below information. And also they have given the company name as well as data path. Data path, first and foremost, we have to create a data path. Why we have to create a data path means, sometimes if you missed your company data, or in the list you can't able to see your particular company, means you can go ahead with this path and you can use, and you can work on that. So that is why we will be creating. And if you want to restore that data or to do the backup of that particular data, we can use this data path. Okay, so now I'll be teaching how to do the, how to once again. Okay, so how to create a data path in a Tally. So first let us go with the Tally now. So just click on top of this. Now, in the file, in your case study, they have given, first we have to go with a C drive or a D drive. Next, we have to create your name of the folder, your name folder. We have to create inside the C drive, you'll be creating one folder, that is your name folder. Inside that folder, we'll be creating one more folder, that is a Tally as assignment. And in that, you'll be creating one more folder, that will be a text zone. And in that, you'll be creating one more folder, that is a Tally data. Okay, so now I'll be teaching step by step. Later you guys can create by yourself. So but listen carefully, understand, and then you can do. Is that okay? And if you want simultaneously, if you want to do more means also you can do, but don't do wrong. Okay, so follow the steps and procedure. So now I'll be going with the file exposure. So this will be called it as a file exposure. Okay, or a file manager. You just click on that. Now I'll be going with the local disk C. If you have a C drive, or if you want any drive also, you can select, guys. We have a Google Drive G, and also here I have a C drive. And if you want a desktop means also you can select. Let me go ahead with the local disk according to your case study. They have mentioned C drive. Let me go and click on that. Okay, here I'll be creating a one folder. If you want, you can just click on here. If you want to create a new folder means you can click here also. Here folder. Can you see here? you got a new folder. You can just you can first, according to your case study, they have given you have to set first folder, you have to give your name only. So let me give name of this particular folder. So okay, let me give as a Janu. Okay, so now I have created this folder. So Janu folder is created. Now you can just click on that. So can you see now? In this folder, we didn't insert anything. So here, one more folder you have to create. Guys, shortcut key also you can use, or else you can just go ahead with the new. Here we'll be having a new option. Here also you can click. Shortcut key will be Control Shift plus N. To create a new folder, Control Shift plus N. Are you all getting my points?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, now I'll be giving, according to your case study, they have said first folder will be your name, second folder will be tally assignment. So you can give it as a tally assignment. Okay, now I have given as a for this folder as a tally assignment. Understood? Again, click on this. You'll be getting one more. We have to create one more folder. Control Shift plus N. One more folder. For that, we have to make it as a text zone. The company name will be text zone. So we have to create a one more folder as a text zone. Understood? Hello, online students. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Madam, can you tell it from beginning?
You have to create one more folder.
No, from starting.
Huh?
From starting.
From starting.
No. Creating the folder.
First, you have to go with the local disk, create one folder. I have put as a Janu. You can follow the navigation steps. C drive. Then one folder you have to create. Put the name for that particular folder. Next, you have to, inside that itself, you have to create one more folder. That will be a tally assignment. In that one more folder, you have to create, make it as a text zone. And last will be, inside that text zone, you'll be creating one more folder that is a tally data. Understood? Guys, please do response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
This is clear.
Okay. Now we have to create one more folder. Control Shift plus N. That will be your tally data. Last we have tally data. Okay. Now we have successfully created. In the top, you can see the navigation. We went for local disk. Next, we have created the name of my folder is Janu. Next, tally assignments. Next, text zone. Last will be the tally data. Here, one more folder empty I have created, I guess. Let me delete this. Till here, everyone understood? Hello, guys.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Are you all doing?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you're going to create one thing, guys. Okay. Fine. This is how you're going to create for first. Let me go back. Now I have created Janu. Okay. So next, tally assignment. Inside that, tally assignment. And if you click on that, inside one more folder, that is a text zone. If you click on that, means you'll be getting tally data. If you click on that, means at the end, okay, you'll be getting empty space. One single click you have to do. By default, it will copy. So this will be your navigation path. Can you see here? So this will be your navigation path. Just copy. Control plus C. You have to copy this navigation path. Control plus C, or else you just select that folder or a path, and you can use Control C. Copy that. Come to tally now. Here you have to paste that. Understood? Online.
Yes, ma'am.
Did everyone understood?
Yeah.
Muhammad? Muhammad, are you there? Guys, please do response. Did everyone understood? Anisha, Eric? Anisha, Eric, are you all there? Guys, please do response.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Eric, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Eric,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
did you all understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Please do response, guys. Since it's a practical, I need everyone has to done at the same time for company creation. Rest of the things you guys carry on later, okay? But please do response so that I can understand whether you guys are understood or not. Okay, fine. Let me continue. So now I have successfully created a navigation path. So let us go for the next step. That is according to your case study. So your company name will be TechZone Private Limited. Your company will be TechZone Private Limited. Okay, so company name means it will be your company name. Particularly if you want a specific, if you want to change a branch also, you can change here. If you want to make, if it is a Vijayanagara branch, or if it is a Kormangala branch, or if it is any branches also, if you can mention that. So it's up to you. And mailing name is nothing that. So if you're sending for anyone mail means, obviously if you mention branch means whether it will look good in the mails, or else if it is any script in the invoices and all. If the branch mentioned means whether it look good. Huh?
Maybe it's important to have that.
Huh?
No, branch name also should be there, no, ma'am.
Branch name will be there. Branch name means if you're sending a mails for someone means, obviously you'll be sending with the same company itself. Am I right?
Yeah.
So anyway, the company name will be there in the top. If you mention, if you want mailing, in the mailing, if you want particularly branch also, you can mention that. It's up to you. But according to your case study, they didn't give any branches here. Am I right?
Yeah.
So I'll be taking as the same thing. Don't copy the same thing. You just enter. Click on the enter. By default, it will come. Okay. So next, let us go for the address. So you can just copy the single line, guys. Don't copy overall thing. Just copy the single line. Enter. Same thing for the rest of the things. Copy. Paste. Enter. Copy. Paste. Enter. And let me take it as a ban. Okay. Till here, everyone understood? So
Yes,
here they have particularly mentioned Kormangala. So the state will be Karnataka. So you can select the state as a Karnataka. By default, country will select. As also they have given the pin code also. You guys can just copy the pin code and you can paste. And telephone number, if they are given the telephone, just copy the telephone number, paste it here. Mobile number. So what and all the data they have given, just copy and paste. That's it. No more changes. And in the olden days, they used to use fax. Now on, like now and all, they won't use. So you can just leave that area. And also they have given the mail also. You can check it here.
In the phone, we call it phone is
Copy, paste, and website also you can just copy, paste. And financial year starts and books begins. What is the difference between financial year begins as well as books begins?
Financial year means 1st April it will start.
Yes.
Books begins maybe from calendar year 1st January.
No, it depends. Okay. So as you said, financial year starts begins from means it will be 1st April to 31st March. So financial year going to end. Book begins means some of the times when you are going to start to record the day-to-day transaction. That is what a books begins. Okay. So if you started your company in January means you can go ahead. If you started your company with the October month also you can go ahead. So that is what a books begins. Okay. So according to your case study, they have given the same date. So first for 2024. So let me take it as a 2024. First for 2024 itself. Okay. Till here, everyone understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now enter, enter, and you can accept. Make it as a yes. Okay. You can see that company created successfully. So if you want to make any changes in the feature, like regarding a company and all, if you want to make a changes, if you want to enable some icons, how you guys going to do in Instagram? Like some of the things you'll be going to give a permission, some of the things you'll be going to deny. So same thing here also will be some what and all is important for your accounting purpose. So those kind of things you're going to give and you want to enable, and some things which and all you it is not necessary. If you don't want this, you can go on to give it as a no. Okay. So first and foremost, you have to maintain accounts, make it as a S. Bill wise entry, make it as a S. Okay. And maintain inventory, make it as a S. Next, integrate accounts with inventory, make it as a S. No more changes. Here, come to tax thing. Here you can see, according to your case study also, they have given. Here you can see that one is the inventory books. You have to make it as a S, as well as payrolls books. You have to make it as a S. I will tell you. Okay. So now you can come to GST, taxation department. So there you have to make it as a S. Enable GST and services tax, make it as a S. Enter. It will be coming for this code, GST details. Whether you have reached here, others. Hello guys.
No, ma'am. I'll do this later. I'm just looking at what you're doing.
Okay, okay, fine. And
I
what about
don't miss out
others?
the path.
I will take it.
Guys, what about others?
Enable goods and service tax alone, we need to give yes.
Yeah.
No. Other things,
Then
no. Set, alter, company, GST.
what?
No, other icons, it should be given as no. Set or alter company GST rate, it should be no, right?
You'll be receiving this icon, right?
Yeah.
For that, no need. Okay.
Okay.
It'll be coming this. Make it as a S. Okay. You'll be receiving this thing. GST
So from here,
details.
how did you go back?
Escape.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I have got that screen. GST registration details.
Okay. Now, enter. So already in your case study, they have given that GST number. Can you see here?
Yeah.
Just copy that GST number and you can paste it. Guys, it's a fake number. So sometimes it will show something and all wrong and all. So don't worry about that. Just ignore and just move on. Okay. So only the thing you have to put the GST number here. Did everyone understand?
Yeah.
Just click
Yes,
on
ma'am.
just copy paste, guys. Enter, 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 enter. Don't change anything. And accept, make it as a yes. Okay. So here also don't change anything. Come to TDS, make it as a S. Will be coming for this screen. Company TDS deductor details. So in your case study, they already given TAN registration number. Just copy that. Okay. And TAN collection number. Copy this. Make it as a company itself. So we are filing for the branch of Kormangala. You can just select it as a Kormangala. That's it. If you want, you can take a snapshot of this. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone have any doubts? Okay. Rest of it, don't do anything. So now you can come to maintain payroll. Just click on that. Make it as a S. Enable payroll statutory. Make it as a S. You'll be receiving this payroll statutory details. Now company code. So already in your case they have given company code. Copy that. Paste. Next, company account group code. Go to your case study. They have given already. Copy. Paste. And security code. Also they have given. Copy. Paste. Okay. So the same thing. Company code you'll be going to give here also. Branch office. Let us give it as a Kormangala only. Okay, since we are working for the Kormangala. So let us give for the Kormangala only. Standard working days. So many working days. So you'll be learning in the future days payrolls and other stuffings, the meaning of payroll and all. So here just give it as a 26 days, or else you can give 31 days also. It's up to you. Okay. So don't give any national pension scheme and all. Just pop that. Come down. Branch, give it as a Kormangala. So PAN number. PAN number also they have given in your case study. You can just copy that. Paste. Understood? Online.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you're going to enter. See. No more changes, guys. Just enter, enter, and enter. You'll be receiving accept. Make it as a one more time. Enter. So can you see here your company?
Ma'am, for me, it's only taxation, online access, and others option are available. This payroll option, it's not available for in my screen.
Here in the top of this, show more features. Make it as a S. Show all features. Make it as a S.
Okay, fine. Okay, ma'am. Now it's available.
Yes. Guys, whenever you want to alter regarding the company features, means you can just click on the F11. In your laptop, you can see F11 key, right? You just click on that. Select your company. If whatever the edit part, if you want to do, means you can do it here. Okay, regarding the company features. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this is how you're going to create a company. You can see that TechZone company as private limited is successfully created, and current period also you can see 1/4/2023, 31st March 2024. If you want to change, means you can change it here. Sometimes by default, if there is any changes has happened, means according to your case study, it will be 24 and 24. Means the financial year will be 2024 and 31st March 2025. Second. 1/4/24. Okay. Here like that, if you just click on this means you can change. Here also by default the current date will going to change. And whatever the transaction you are going to record, it will take only 1st, 2nd, and 31st. Keep in your mind. So since the current date is showing as a 1/4/2024. Okay. So your company like this, it will be successfully created. Since I already have created so many companies and I was working, so it will be by default, it will be shown here. Okay. Understood? Anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No.
fine. So if you want in the company, if you want to change, if you want to make any changes, means you can come to K company. In the top, can you see that?
Yeah.
You can come to K company. If you want to alter, means if you want to alter, you can just click on the alter option. Which company, select that company, and you can do the alter here. Anything you want, you can just do it here. Okay. And to save, shortcut key will be Control+A. Okay, if you want to make any changes, means you can make. And if you want to change company, here you can see we have so many companies. In this, if you want to change, if you want to make it, if you want to work on specific company, means you can change it here. Just take it as an example, Golden Crest Private Limited. Now I want to work on Golden Crest Private Limited. Go to change, click on the change option. So let me select it as a Golden Crest. So can you see here? Now Golden Crest Private Limited has highlighted. Now I am working under the Golden Crest. So that is how you are going to change. Here also you can directly change, guys. If you want to work on the modern furniture, just click on the modern furniture. By default it will come. Okay. And you can go ahead with the company. So next, if you want to select any company. So what and all the company you have created in your list, if you want, like sometimes we'll be shutting the company. So next concept we have that. So if you have just kept on aside, means if you're not working on that company, means it will be there in the created options. Okay. So that if you click on the select company, so each and every company will be, you can see, but since we create only one company under this navigation. So we created a navigation, right? So by using this navigation, you can create more than how much you need, you can create the company. Okay. So now under this, I have working only one company I have created. So it will be showing as a only one company. Okay. So this is how it will be. So if you want to work on that same thing, means you can work. So next will be shut company. Shut company means it's nothing that. So you won't be deleting that company, you'll be keeping aside. So you'll be working later. So just take it as an example. If you are dealing with the Finpro Vijayanagara branch, it's not in a running. So there is a more loss, as well as they are going to close this company, means they can do shut company. In the future days, if they got more profit and if they want to run this also, means at the same time they can go ahead. So that is what the thing. So anyway, the data will be there, but if you want to make it as an aside, keeping aside means you can just go ahead with the shut company. So I'll be selecting a shut. You can select the company. So now I'll be selecting as a Golden Crest Private Limited as a shut company. I don't want to see it in the main screen. I want to shut that company, means you can click on that particular company, enter. So can you see here in the screen?
It's gone.
Yes. So that is how you're going to shut company. Next, you can.
You said that you can bring it back, right? How
Yeah.
do you bring it back?
You have to go with the select companies. Inside in the particular folder, I have only one company. For each and everything, there is a different navigation path. So since I was working in this, I had that. So if you want, means I have to go back and I have to close, and once more time I have to do, because for each and everything there is a different navigation.
Okay.
Understood? Okay, fine.
Yeah.
So this is how it will be. Let me select this. Select company. Same navigation. Fine. So this is how you are going to, guys, just check once. Okay. If you want to create, means same navigation path. In that you can prepare for the practice purpose anyway, you guys have to create one more company. So create one more company and make it as a shared company, and you can, if you want to bring it back, means you can go ahead with the select option and you can bring it back. So or else just let me close. Let me show you. Can you see a list of the company? Golden Crush Beef Slot.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So this is how you're going to bring it back. Since you guys already have created a company, so that's why I'll be taking this navigation itself. Okay, let me. You can click on the specified path. Click on here. You can just paste, enter, enter. So you can see your company. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how you're going to do the things. And if you want to delete a company, means you can go ahead with the alter, select a company, particularly let me select the text zone itself, enter, and alt D, alt plus D, it will ask delete. If you want, make it as a S, and it once again it will ask are you sure? If you don't want to delete, means you can mention it as a no. If you want, you can delete that. It will go permanently from the particular software. Okay.
It will delete all the data also with that?
Yes, everything will be deleted.
Oh,
Understood?
yes, ma'am.
So now if you, since you guys are already have created a company, after that by default you'll be getting like what and all the data, by using this data only you have created, right? Can you see that one folder, one not a folder, one new thing has created here? Can you see that? If you click, means you'll be receiving this data. So this will be in the JavaScripted. So company regarding things, everything you can see, but you can't able to read that, guys, because we don't have that particular softwares and all. So, but the thing you can, by using, but if you created a navigation path, means in the future days, you can restore and you can get the backup and you can work on that particular company. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now we have successfully created the company. So let me explain other topics. Okay. So anyone have any doubts with these things? Create, alter, change, select, shut, and delete.
No.
Okay, fine. So here you can see that our company is successfully created. So I'll tell you all the shortcut key. Okay. So here, can you see that one single underline?
Yeah.
So that is also a shortcut, but here you'll be using, if you just take it as an example, I want to go for here company. Okay, I'll be taking as a alt plus K. You can click on alt plus K. By default, it will take for the company. Okay, same as well as I want to go for the exchange. Alt plus Z. Can you see that? And if
Yeah.
you want to go for go option, alt plus G. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is what the shortcut key of one time. You can make a note, alt plus K, Y, Z, O, E, M, P, whatever you want, you can use. And the next one, can you see here F1, F2, F3? So this is also shortcut key where you can see in your keyboard, if you want to work on any particular, if you want to change the date, if you click on F2, means by default here you can change the date. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is one kind of shortcut key. Okay, let me click on the company. Here, can you see double underline?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you want to shut company, if you want, you can directly come here also, or else you can use a shortcut key. So if it is double underline, means control key. Now I'll be selecting as a control plus F3. Okay. Can you see here top shirt company? If you want to make it as a home company as a shirt, enter. Can you see here? I made it as a home care private limited as a shirt. I have kept aside.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that, you'll be using control key. So the next, also for accepting. Okay, if you want to accept means, if you want to save means, you can use control plus A. Every time you can use control plus A, and to go back, you can use escape key. In the first, we have a escape ESC. You can click on that escape key and it will go back. Okay. And one more shortcut key I'll tell you all. So in the masters, so can you see that one highlighted words are there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is also shortcut. Okay. So let me go with the voucher. If you want to click on the voucher means you can just click on the V. Automatically it will take for the accounting voucher. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes. And if you want to create, if you want to go with this option, create option, just click on C. Automatically it will go for creation master, list of the master creation.
Yeah.
And if you want to go for day book, let's click on K. It will take for the day book. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is also a shortcut key. Till here, anyone have any doubts?
No,
No.
ma'am.
Okay, so this is how you're going to create a company as well as you're going to use the shortcut keys. So I suggest you all to create one company. Same thing for the official purpose. So like every day I'll be giving a homework plus I'll be making you all to do meanwhile. So you can do that. So as well as you have to create one more fake company where it will be for your practicing purpose. Only for practicing purpose, you'll be creating one more company. So anyway, you'll be having a weekend off. So week off will be there. Saturday and Sunday won't be having classes. You can practice in that particular days. So rest of the days you can just practice under this official company. Is that okay? For that fake company, you can create with any names. If you want by your names also you can create, or if you want any other names also you can keep. It's XYZ, PQR, whatever you want you can create. Or in the same company name only you can create tech zone. But it won't take existing one. It means already if it is created means it won't take. Instead of that, make it as a 1, 2, 3 at the end. So and you can create. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So anyone have any doubts till here?
No.
Okay, fine, guys. So this is in the left hand side. It's completely gateway. We have a 2 gateway of Tally. Since we are working on the Tally education mode, it is showing like this. If it is a silver mode means Tally Prime silver. If it is a gold edition means it will show it as a gold. Okay. So now you can see that one left hand side and one right hand side gateway of Tally we have. It is completely regarding the company aspect. So if you want to change or if you want to make any company things means you can do it here, and it will be for completely for the to do the transaction. We'll be recording a day-to-day transaction in the right hand side gateway of Tally. Understood?
Yeah.
So anyone have any doubts with the company creation and the shortcut keys as well as the navigation path creation or introduction about the Tally or installation of Tally? Anyone have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay, now for the task for you is to create a company and just create company and go through the recordings plus e-learnings videos as well as practice in the fake company also. How you have to create a navigation path and other stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, guys. Now then I'll be going to wind up the session. You guys can start practicing now. See you all tomorrow with a new topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
guys. Thank
Bye.
you. Take care. Enjoy your day.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Bye.